Chinese Pin Tones Lesson 8. Welcome back to this video tutorial. In our previous lesson, we learned the consonants and the vowels. Today, we're going through Mandarin tones. Mandarin Chinese is a tonal language in order to differentiate meaning. The same syllable can be pronounced with different tones. Mandarin is said to have 4 main tones and 1 neutral tone. That means 5 tones with 5-level system. First tone. The first tone is high and at the same level, almost like you might do when you're singing. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Ah, ah, ma, ma, wa, wa. Second tone. It is where a syllable starts in the mid-high point in your vocal range and then goes up in pitch. Repeat after me. Ah, ah, na, na, da, da. Third tone. The third is where your pitch starts lower than, falls in pitch, and then rises again. Listen and repeat. Ah, ah, ma, ma, na, na. Fourth tone. The fourth tone starts out high but drops sharply to the bottom of the tonal range. English speakers often associate this tone with an angry command or pain expression, like the word ouch. Now, listen again and repeat after me. Ah, ah, ba, ba, na, na. The fifth tone or the neutral tone. The neutral tone is not mapped on the tone chart because it cannot stand alone and should become after other tone. Let's practice with some words. Baba, baba. Mama, mama. Okay, that's all for today and see you in the next episode. Bye!